7 a.m. We just landed in Orlando, Florida. I'm a fucking race car driver. Let's go. Today is the day that I finally get to drive the Enjuku Racing R32 Skyline. This thing is built top to bottom. It's a pro level car. I've never driven, I mean, I've driven some stuff, but like on a consistent basis, I've never driven a pro level car. So this is very exciting. I'm wearing my BC Racing short shorts. If I really want to, you know, if I want to let the people know. I'm excited, man. This thing sounds crazy. It's a little different preparing myself to drift on the right side of the car because that's just not how I do it, but I think I'll adjust pretty nicely. I was not, like, full disclosure, I'm not confident in this bank stuff, but we're gonna learn today. We're gonna break through the fears of my failures over 10 years ago when I crashed here. Learn how to conquer this stuff, so let's have a good time and party. Dude. You look good though. Oh my God. So Jam asked me if I ever drove a fast car before. I was kind of offended because, you know, I've driven some fast cars, but I don't think I've ever felt what I just felt right now. The amount of forward bite this thing has, like when you lay into it, is bananas. It makes no sense. I never felt the power band like that. It's chill, then you whoop up. And when it gets like 5,000-6,000 RPMs and digs, it's just like shit, like wherever it's pointed, it's going. It's fucking crazy. But it's also just super weird being on the right side. Because I'm looking at the wall and I'm making my judgments, but like when I'm on the other side, it's an easy like set it and go. You know, I don't feel comfortable enough for that.
You already started looking comfortable though at the end.
Yeah, that last one I feel like I put it together.
Points, get some markers.
Yeah. So, but overall, wow.
Yeah. And you know what?
You want to use? Huh?
You're running at 20 more PSI of air than we normally do.
Yeah. He told me I was at 35 cold, so it was probably like 40 something.
Yeah.
We got more.
Dude.
More to dial in if you
Hey,
need it.
615K pluses, they do the thing even on high pressures.
That's the one thing good
Well,
about 615 is like they actually, they work all the way through.
To the bottom, dude, it's crazy.
Bottom, and even if you're fully maxed out in air pressure, you still got good grip. So.
The car feels phenomenal. Like, phenomenal. I can't. I am not skilled enough, so I need like seat time in this car.
For sure. Klutch Kickers.
Yeah, for sure. Because like I can usually jump into a car and feel pretty comfortable. This thing is, I've never felt this before. So it was doing a weird thing where I was trying to let the car float and it would rotate. And I thought, you know, okay, I don't know this car very well. I got a lot to learn about it. But it looks like McNasty, Brandon, and the boys found.
Got some sway bar revving issues.
So can you turn the wheel into the after you push that?
Yeah, it's rubbing pretty hard. It's like even taking the tire off.
Yeah, so it's straight chopping the sway bar, and so I think that's just basically breaking the tire. So we're gonna space it out a little bit and see if that helps.
Yes, sir.
Like I'm not comfortable in this car at all, but at least you would normally at least feel it lock.
Yeah.
Before.
It should drive at lock.
Right. I mean, exactly. And so
shouldn't
clutch in floating, it shouldn't just start to.
When that car did that too, we had to modify the sway bar.
Yeah.
Like once you hit lock, it'll just slow the front end down and
Yeah.
spin,
So, but this is why we test.
Yes, sir.
This is why testing is important, because you don't want to find this out on the bank at full tilt. That would have been a wonderful story. I don't deserve this. How glorious does this sound, Drew? Tell it.
It sounds so good.
Fucking amazing.
Sounds so good.
This car is nuts. And having a defined course helped a lot. I biffed it chasing McNasty the first run. I don't know what it was. Like I wasn't expecting the grip or what, but it just like I washed out real bad. But you know,
he's also just nasty.
Yeah.
See him throw it against that wall like that?
Yeah.
I mean,
and I'm still like learning the car where he knows that.
Yeah,
thing.
this is what 7 laps.
Yeah, something like that. But I mean, you saw, I start.
No, for
I
sure.
get in the rhythm.
For sure.
And I start to like feel it. But I definitely want to practice that tandem more, for sure. That's that.
I feel like
it's fast enough to keep up with him.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this thing will roll that.
Yeah, this thing, like it definitely.
The power to weight on this thing is great.
Yeah, it definitely scooted. Like when I was like, okay, I can push in, you know.
I feel like the one thing that you'll have to get comfortable with is the forward bite and dig that it has on the hole. So when you're floating out, instead of scrubbing speed, you can actually get on throttle and pull yourself back out of it.
Yeah, so I feel like on that track, you know, initiate third and then grabbing second, because third, you can do third, but it's just a lot of wheel speed. So I don't feel like I'm going as fast as I could be, but it's like in between gears, you know, because in second, I go to transition around that inner.
You're already running out.
Yeah, I'm already running out. So it's like, do I want to go back up and down, or back down and up, and then, you know, or just leave it in third and just roast it, you know? That thing is absolutely insane, so. Brandon is an absolute animal. Those are
fucking awesome.
Super fun. Thanks for letting me chase you.
Of course, man.
Tomorrow we're gonna do some more, all right?
Oh yeah, maybe on the bank.
I gotta get done.
All right.
We'll work our way towards it. Absolute amazing day testing this car out, dude. I mean, I think that's a wrap for this video. We're gonna go back to Enjuku Racing, try to put some stickers on this thing. It's still missing a bunch of sponsor logos and stuff like that, so just want to get that thing dialed, get a nice photo shoot out of the way. Yeah, we survived. We had a good day of driving. We got the car feeling pretty good. Tomorrow, I'm going to take it on the oval and try to get some bank practice. Like I said, I'm not confident on the bank at all, so we're just gonna have to go in there and throw it at the wall and see what happens. Hope for the best, right? So stay tuned. See you tomorrow.